instead of me sharing my screen, I'm going to get you to share your screen. So
Okay,
at the
cool.
bottom, next to Mike, it's got share, and
Yeah.
you'll click on that, and then it'll ask, what do you want to share? Go entire screen for me,
Yeah.
and just then you click the
Shares.
screen, yeah, and then you click on, maybe let's go to website or something. I can see you've got the business suite open on the left-hand side. Click on that. Just actually drag that to the right-hand side for us. That would be good. That's good. So that looks promising, right? As in, sorry, I
Yep.
was thinking you can drag that tab. You can probably close me. I can still see you. That'll probably get in the way otherwise. Yeah, this little business suite tab, what you could do is drag this all the way to the right of your screen. As in, no, sorry, the tab itself.
Oh, the tab.
Yeah. Oh, actually, in fact, why don't we keep that out by itself? That's probably good. Let's have this as its own window. Yeah, and then
Yep.
let's open another tab. This one's one step advanced, but I know you said you had it. You were kind of, so that's looking promising. Clearly, you've got access.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go. Did you click through to Basecamp by any chance? Yeah.
Yeah, I went into Basecamp. To be honest, I haven't had a good squiz on it,
No,
but
that's okay. But
I
that means if you
can
start
get into
typing
it.
Basecamp, it'll probably remember that you've been in. There you go. I could see something. Actually, no, go in the URL up the top. I saw it started to sort of write other things. So just go back a little bit on that. Yeah, see project manager. Oh, where is it? Their login. It was actually. Oh, I thought you'd been. Looks like you've been in here. So
That one. I've got a login and all my passwords are
oh,
sort
there
of
you go.
all safe.
Sweet. Actually, just put it in there. Yeah.
Uh,
Just try clicking on that again, and it was looked like it was going to remember you.
it
Or even just
was.
start typing, maybe start typing your Leon Green address and maybe then it'll come up. There it is.
Oh, yeah, there we go. What?
You literally click drag. Yeah, if you click on that one
There
there,
we go.
yeah, there, happy days. Sweet. All right. And it's gone straight to where we want to be, which is perfect. So then what we do is actually we'll drag this tab to the, I just like to keep it tidy because we're going to be opening a lot of tabs. So just drag this to the left
Mm-hmm.
of the Facebook one. Just, yeah, put it back up there. Yeah, that's it. And then we'll scroll down a little bit on this. So got all that, good Wi-Fi. We can open your website address for me. So see how it's got, yeah, just right click. Yeah, perfect. That's good. And then go back to Basecamp. And then we'll right click on your LinkedIn. Yeah, great. And then we'll go back to Basecamp, and we've got Facebook Meta open. Let's open that one as well, though. Sorry, let's go to that link, just so that we'll go to the page only. So if you right click on that page, oh no, if you're back in Basecamp, go
Oh,
back to,
sorry.
yeah, and there it's got the
Is
link. So the
the.
link up above where it says page, you just right click on the I think it was the one above, but that's all right. It's
Oh,
going to
sorry.
take you to that one as well. That's
Oh,
all
that
right.
one. Just our
Yeah, that's it.
page. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. All right. And then let's go back to Basecamp. And if you right click on Instagram for me, cool. And if it's been opened before here, which I think you said you'd got access, I know it's the same follow, so that's okay. But we'll work that out. So then go back to Basecamp. You won't. I don't think you've got. Oh yeah, there is an X. There's an old X, but we're going to create a new one. But just right click on that. At least that'll take us to X, and then we'll go to that map at the bottom. So it's got Google Business Profiles. Right click on that for me. Cool. Yeah. Right, we'll come back to that part. And then the last thing will be just to open up YouTube. You can right click on that YouTube one as well. And then I think now you've probably got the meta page open just to the, so that one, just drag that to the left in between Instagram and Facebook, perhaps. Just put it in between Facebook and Instagram at the top. Cool. And then I reckon we'll work our way back. That might be the best bit. So let's start with YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
So if you go to YouTube, now YouTube, this is the company YouTube. What I'll get you to do,
Mm-hmm.
just sign in for me up the top.
Maybe that one. Damn.
It's going to be one or the other. Try the other one. Click on that
Uh,
one, and if you open it, there you go. Go to domain health. Yeah, try that one.
no.
Oh, you know why that may not have worked too, Leon? Because it was actually when you clicked on the domain health one, yeah, just swap over so that you actually go when it is domain health, make sure it's actually on domain health.
The
Yeah, see,
login.
yeah, because when it possibly put in, it probably had your potentially had your life there. Yeah, go that way. Try this way. Enter.
It's. I've got like. Oh, you know what? I have set up
If
a
you've got,
Facebook. Sorry.
if you can see, you've got your 11 Gmail one, the bottom one. Go with that one, I reckon. If that looks like the one you
Um,
reckon, or no.
I've got. You know what? I think I've got like two of them. I
But
think I know I have an account here.
yeah, there you go.
Uh,
Have you got that with you or no?
I don't even have a Galaxy tab.
Oh,
Um, oh no, I know why it's doing that. Uh,
or your iPhone. It
Open
says
Google.
iPhone as well.
Yeah, I'm doing that now. Google Photos and come on. I'll grab the Galaxy tab. I got it in the clinic.
Actually, just before you do, Leon, maybe what we might do, go to let's look at Google first, and then we'll come because YouTube is the second one. So what it's worth seeing what one you potentially using for Google Maps as well. So you just click on that. Yeah, that tab
Okay.
there. Go there. But this one, so again, it's asking you to sign in. So yeah, so try signing in there. We can use that one. The only what we'll find out though is whether or not you're an owner of that. That's going to be the thing. I was saying the same thing, right? So
Yes, it's me.
and then it'll just ask you what
28.
number. It's 28. Yep. And given you've done that there, you may as well do that on the YouTube one as well.
Yeah. Resend it.
Would you like to allow? Okay, yeah, you'd say yes, I think, by the looks.
Yeah. Oh, hang on.
Huh.
Um,
Okay. And then on the Google one on the left, yeah, just go add or confirm. Have your recovery. I'd put your mobile in there as the main one. Yeah, that's already there. Cool. And then your other email you might want to put in is have a
I'll
your,
use the. I'll use this one, this
your
personal one.
oh, okay.
Um, and, like,
My only thinking with the Google Map. Okay, so that's all right. So yep, sign it. We go done on that. Yep. So is that it's whether or not you actually have access to the Google Business with that. So if you scroll up, instead of so up the top, um, let's put in the Google search right up the top, where it says google.com, right up the top in the
Oh,
search. Yeah,
sorry.
just
Yep.
go. Let's just type in the business name, Life Ready Physio and Pilates. Yeah, that's it. And that's it. So yeah. So what I okay. So on the far right, um, top right, there's a little 9 dots. Click on those 9 dots next to your face there, and business is underneath calendar. There's a blue little house. That one there. Yeah. Let's see if it's associated with you. It is. It's awesome. Oh, it looks like it is. And go allow there. Perfect. That's what I was hoping for. Oh, that's Camberwell.
Got me on the Camberwell
I know. Yeah, we
one.
could have more than one. So just go flick onto the 3 dots. 3 dots next to
Yeah.
profile strength. It's got profile
Profile
strength.
strength.
Looks
Oh,
good.
yeah.
Yeah, click on that and go your business profiles. Click on that one. Yeah, looks like there's only
Oh,
one.
man.
Click. Yeah, there's only one. That one you're added to with this.
Unless, yeah, if I try and sign into Google using
Use
my
one of
Life Ready.
I reckon that would be the thing. So that's what I was thinking. So go. So I reckon sign out of that one, yeah, and then go. Go sign in with, as you said, the Life Ready. And if you can't, then maybe just do forgot password if needs be.
That one. Yes. Yes. It didn't work last time, did it?
No.
Uh,
Okay. It was changed 11
11
months
months
ago.
ago.
Okay, so just go forgot, and that'll send an email to you. So it should be okay. Oh,
My
what's this say?
domain admin. Uh, I reckon I know what this is. Our IT crew have just gone on a rampage locking things down.
Right.
Because we're no longer, we used to be in G Suite and then we moved everything over to Microsoft.
Right.
Um, and so I haven't gone into my Google for ages, but we still need it for some things like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
Is that something you
uh,
can? Are
I
you able to?
can,
Yeah, just send a
yeah,
message.
I can go. Let me go support to Evan Nimble, and I'll send 2 channels out and see if it's probably Evan Nimble that do it. Oops, Google account.
And I would let them know that you've got that, and I was also let your other person with your other. Well, actually, if they give you, it's just going to save you having to sign in and out of both, right? Um,
Yeah,
uh, you could also say, I was wondering if you could help me log into my Google account for Leon to access the Maribyrnong, the Maribyrnong site. Um, uh, and if possible, also add
sorry. Also
also
add.
add uh, the email and give your email that you use to sign in, which I use for Google, for my Google management maybe. So you could give them your other email address potentially as well.
Oh yeah, and add
Yeah,
Greyland
as
as a recovery email.
or even as a so you'd want this one. I was wondering if you could help me log into my Google account. So what you would say to the the Leon Green, you probably want to be the primary owner, essentially. So help me log in. So what you could put after brackets, you've got. I was wondering if you could help me log in to my Google account, and then in brackets you would say as the primary owner. yeah, and then yeah for Leon, yeah, uh, uh, yeah,
And
to
this
yeah,
is
and
so
then
I
what you could
can.
and then what you could say and also add as a as an owner, you would because that would also be yeah as an owner. I mean, reality is you could do that as well once you've got access. So you're going to have so your other one.
It'll
So yeah, you could
no.
do it once
What
they've
they
given
will.
you. Then you can add your
Yeah,
other one as an owner. So that's okay. Yeah, I was wondering if
yeah,
you can
yeah.
help me. Yeah, yeah, as the primary owner. Thanks, guys. You might want to put ASAP after the because we're just working through trying to tidy them up. That's all. That's the other thing.
Um, I'll just say so that I'm needing some data from Google um, quite quickly.
Okay.
Cool. They.
Yep.
What I can also do is get right now, if we work on something else, I can just get admin to call Evernimble,
Yep.
and then they might be able to do it with me. Uh, yeah, they'll call back, and then they might be able to do it with me.
Yep.
Do you want me to do that?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. It'd be good
All
to
right.
have that
Give me,
sorted. Yep.
yeah, give me 2 seconds.
No props.
Um, hey Joe, can you do me a big favor, please? Can you call? Oh, you're on the phone. And the person to contact? All right, awesome. So that'll start happening in the background. I might just have to jump off to
Yeah. No, that's all
quickly do
cool.
that. Yeah.
Because what we can do is we can create the YouTube, and then we'll be able to add that as the email as once we've done that, we'll be able to do it the other way. So in actual fact, you'll be able to have that as the primary owner, and then swap it over. Basically, you can add the other one, the other email as the yeah. So here we looks like
So I think I created a YouTube page and
so
accidentally
if you
used
go
my life ready
settings, then we'll be
email.
able to work it out. So if you go settings there, again, the
Yeah.
question's going to be is whether you created it using which account you created it with.
If I do that, oh, man,
You
this
might
is
have the
so
same issue.
annoying.
Yeah, yeah,
I think we have the same issue. Yeah, because yes,
yeah,
it is. It's
yeah. So if you
yeah,
did,
okay.
like you said, there'd be yep. So you can't if you created it with that email. So let's leave them for now. So let's wait for to get the. So we'll move on um, from Google and YouTube. Let's go where let's go. I'm going to work back the other way where we can know we can sort of affect it. Let's go to Leon in LinkedIn. And what I get you to do here um, is who are you in as actually? I reckon up the top, you might have to check who's in. Like, yeah, go view profile. So that looks like it's been set up as a person rather than a. So this is anybody following it? I would
No.
I would delete this profile.
Okay.
Yeah, so at the bottom, actually, what's the best way to do that? See, it's got me up the top again. Click on me right up the top. Yeah,
Yep.
and then let's go settings and privacy underneath. Yeah, and let's scroll all the way to the bottom. Usually, yeah, I would go close account. Yep, yeah, continue. Yeah, I have a duplicate. Yeah, that's what you'd say. Yeah.
Uh,
So,
company one, that one there. Cool.
okay, so then click back on that little blue icon at the top. Yeah. And then this one, you would go sign in up the top right. Sign in. Yeah. Because now, so you don't need to join because you're, oh yeah, so it's the other profile you want to do it for. See how it's signing you in as this one instead of the other one. So just go on those three dots. You'll see if that, okay, so yeah, use your other email, which is probably that Hotmail address. Yep.
Mm. Uh,
Okay, so we sent a notification to your signed in. Open your LinkedIn app and tap yes to confirm password.
in the app, nothing yet.
In the app, you might need to make sure you're logged out of the other one. Well, because potentially you were going in on the
Uh,
other one as the. It should be
no, I should
closed.
be. I think
Yeah,
I'm
looks like maybe that's
in.
what you're doing. You would go on the app for yourself.
Yeah, I'll just hit resend. Check your LinkedIn app. Signed in devices. Tap yes. Okay. I'll try it on my iPad. It's not popping up. I'm going to hit I don't have access to this device. Should I do that?
Yeah.
Um,
Text my phone number ending 10. That'll do it.
that's better. There we go.
Nice.
418-288.
And yeah,
Okay.
do what you kind of. I think you already had a password set up for it. Maybe, yeah, do something that
Do
works for
that.
you.
I like using what Safari sort
Okay.
of
Yeah, that's it. It was
gives
gobbledygook.
you.
Yep. Yep. Sure. So at least you know you've done it.
To,
Yep. Update.
yeah.
Yep.
And then
Yep. That's right. So that's on your
cool.
All
All
right.
right,
Cool.
we're in.
We're in.
Thank God.
And then what we'll do, we'll tidy you up second, but first thing we'll do is actually create a business account for you as well. So let's go where it's got for business. If you do the drop down there, up the top, yeah. And then you go create a company page, yeah. And then you go on the left-hand side, company, open up, yeah. And then, yep, you'll do your, the
Do you reckon
question,
it's better to go physio and Pilates, Maribyrnong?
yeah, up to you. I think what I was going to say is, I think because physio, it is long, so
Mm,
I my sense is that when you go to the website, it is actually Life Ready Physio Maribyrnong.
mm,
I think it's probably more consistent with the brand and everything else if you have Life Ready Physio Maribyrnong as the actual name. But then in everything that you're writing, you can always add the plus physio on other things. Yeah, you can probably get rid of
mm.
all those dashes in between. You can keep the dash between the Maribyrnong one, but then
That's a
where
good
it says
idea.
Life Ready, yeah, keep those. That's right, separate those, and then website you can just copy and paste into there. Yeah, and back to you. Cool.
I'm sure go health.
Allied Health, maybe. Health and Human Services. Yeah,
Yeah, I guess.
I reckon. And here you'd go probably 2 to 10. Yeah. Um, what's the
Uh,
structure? Is it privately held or is it a company?
it's a it's not a public company, so
Privately
it's a
held is
partnership.
a partnership. Is okay. Yep. No worries. Then let's go. So choose your profile. Yep.
Our logo. Should I use
I actually,
a photo
if you
or our
wanted to, I know
logo?
you use your logo. I actually
Okay.
put one in the Dropbox if you wanted to get one from there.
Oh,
So if you
perfect.
right click on the Dropbox actually is up the top. Sorry, above setup, it's got. Sorry, scroll down a little bit lower, and then where it
Oh
says
yeah.
Open Basecamp, it's got Dropbox access. Yeah, you can right click on that. Yeah. Yeah. And then you can join folders, probably the first thing up the top. So where it says join folder. Oh, I don't know.
Where did I've got one with.
Oh, it's just getting a few. Yeah, we'll be doing probably get a few things like that, so it's all good.
Oops.
Yeah, cool. And then see, it's got imagery. Just the top one. Click on the where the folder says imagery. Yeah, there, just
Yeah.
the one there. If you click on that, so it makes it larger, and then just go. Where's the download one? Is that top right? It's got that. The top right, no, the little arrow that points down next to the link.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one there, yeah. And that they'll put it in your download. Just go allow. Yeah, yeah,
Cool.
that's it. And then if you go back to LinkedIn, and you'll find that in your downloads. There it is. And then right, I think if you go to Basecamp, I sort of made a start just on what I grabbed. So if you scroll down just a little bit for me, underneath all the different links, scroll down a bit further. Stop. Sorry, just a bit higher. It's still in the setup session. So this part here, you're probably not going to get all those, but just even if you go up to, yeah, just copy that and then just paste it. It'll only use so much because it's 120. Yeah. So what we'll need to do is get rid of the, let us help. So up the top, um, let us help you get and make it an exclamation or even, yeah, so let us help you and then exclamation. and then move towards your best quality of life with our wide range of professional treatment, and then treatment options, and then get rid of iPhone and da da da.
I'll just chuck our.
I think because it's 120 only, you might not even be able to fit any of the rest of it. So you might not even be able to have the phone number in there, I don't think. But you can try. Yeah, get rid of that. Get rid of all that URL as well. Yeah, and we can't even have that part there. So yeah, get rid of the phone number at this stage. The phone number goes elsewhere anyway. So move towards your best with our range of professional allied healthcare services. Oh, that fits.
Exclamation mark.
Let's help you. Probably do you need we do we need, I reckon even get rid of the last exclamation. Probably not for now. We'll revisit it, but then go I verify I am. Yeah, click the box below. You can copy that little taglines and paste it into Basecamp. We'll get a little copy and paste area going. So yeah, scroll all the way to the bottom and then just new comment and just paste it in there. You don't need to send it. Just leave it there for now and then go back to LinkedIn. And then let's create the page.
Steve, just
Yep,
one sec.
no worries.
How'd you go? Yep, that's okay. Yep, just let me know. Cool. There, it's in the process.
Okay, cool.
The Google stuff.
Yeah, sweet. All right, cool. And then on the left-hand side, it's got actually first what you could do. Do you have an image of that we can use as a cover today? So one that you had in mind?
Yeah.
Yep. So if you hit the little pencil on the left there, that's the one. Yeah, upload a cover image.
Where do we have it? I reckon
Yeah, they're good.
maybe
Yeah,
that one.
yeah. That'll be pretty flexible, I'd say. So yeah, just put the people in the image, I reckon. Yeah, that looks good. Might get a little bit more wriggle room there. Awesome. And then on the left-hand side, it's got edit page underneath analytics, slightly lower. So it's down, down, down. Yeah, edit page there. Yeah. And here, if you go to your website, um, I just close that one. Actually, first, what you can do is, with that the longer about stuff. So go back to Basecamp. If you go back to Basecamp for me, and then now if you scroll up, actually, I did think I did put it below as well. So just scroll up a little bit. Yeah, just to here. Let us help you see how. Then there's all the contacts as well. So underneath the weekly schedule, just down a little bit lower.
Oh, yep.
So
Sorry.
you can grab all that. The only thing is you might need to grab the go to the emojis and find them if you want to use them, or you can consider other ones. So you don't need only to the phone number. Yeah, just to the phone number there. So
Yep, that.
yeah, that's a mid sort of size one. So let's go back to LinkedIn, which is third tab over. Yeah,
Yep.
that's it, and just go paste. But what we might need to do is just go on the far right. Let's open a new tab on the far right, and just go to emojis, emoticon, something like that.
Do I have
Or sure,
maybe
even
it's
when
on
you
my
right click, sometimes it'll put it in on your. Try you can try that first. If you actually go here, so see how it's got. If you after let us help you,
here, yep.
yeah. See if you when you after the you, see what happens if you right click. See if you can actually use emojis. Go right click. Does it allow? It's not putting emojis for some reason. Sometimes.
My
Yeah.
my iPad has it, but yeah, no.
Okay. So maybe let's on that far right start page. And again, I picked two just because I know. I just think the fact you're a runner, and I was thinking, okay, well, but let's just go. Yeah. So realistically, but the other thing is around maybe hands or
Yeah.
stretching activity, that sort of stuff. So,
Yeah.
um, to be fair, in this LinkedIn part, it's actually not necessarily do you need to have it. It's more
Mm-hmm.
in perhaps your more visual ones, say like your Instagram, and where you've only got 120 or to 160. So particularly Instagram and Twitter. So it sort of just helps. Anyway, we
Mm.
can leave it for now if we don't put in emojis. But yeah, up to you. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Well, do we need to have? If we're going to do
Not
it for
in.
the other ones, we might as well
Yeah, may
do
as
it
well
now.
find a couple. Yeah, that's it. So from a consistency basis. So let's just go emoji. Um, yeah, uh, and the Emojipedia up the top.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, and then in the search, as I said, I did runner and dancer, but so runner first, just running. Yeah. Yeah.
And you just click.
Yeah. Click on that one, and then it'll go copy, right? So,
Oh, cool.
and then you can just paste him back instead of, yeah. So there, and then do the same if you do dancer, and then if you have a male runner and a female dancer, that's the only what I had basically.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to go back to emoji, and we'll do dancer as well, dancing. Yeah. And then should let you, if you left click on, there we go. Yeah. And just put it next to the little, go next to the little man. Yeah. And then move towards your, yep. I've already, so I think, so grab all those hashtags and put them under the contact details. So all those hashtags there. Yeah. And then bring everything else up. Yeah. So then, yeah. And in here, I probably wouldn't use so up above, so scrolling up. So then what you could do, because so you could, well, again, for now, to make it easier for later, I'll get you to go emoji and just find a phone. So go back to the emojis. So we might as well do it now and get it done. So search emoji, just do phone, yeah, mobile, then copy, yeah, oh, back to there and get rid of iPhone, yeah. And
Let's
then,
check out.
yeah, globe with meridians. If you copy that and put that into
Oops.
emojis, that's what it'll find. Or if you write internet, either one, I think. There it is. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, internal. Back to homepage. Let's go to the
Ah,
top. We'll click back on the top one again. Oh, link is, yeah, you could do copy link if you want to be slightly different. Yep.
what's that?
Yeah,
Nah,
it doesn't like that one at the moment. That's weird.
too, too popular.
So go link. Put that in front of the web address. Yeah, and then you got the email. If you want to do knock down the email as well.
Yeah.
Email just needs the dash in between it usually, but oh, there you go. No, it doesn't in this one, so that's all right. Yeah, and well, I went with athletic shoe. The other thing you could use is if you write map, that gives yeah. I kind of like, yeah, sort of suggest walk in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
as
That's
in
nice.
that's the idea is you can visit or you can walk in there. Scrolling down, so I think if we go to the website, so there's some stuff. Sorry, go to your website actually on the far
Oh yeah.
left. Yeah, and then you've got these other things now, right? So you could, by rights, you could say so the services. So you could actually copy our services. Just copy our services there, and then we'll copy all of those. Just paste that into Instagram. Sorry, LinkedIn. Yeah, underneath. Sorry,
Yeah.
I reckon above the contact details and that sort of thing. So you got quite a
Oh
lot
yeah.
to you can. So you get to write our services. You might make it capitals actually. Yeah, and then enter, and then you've got all those little boxes as you go down on the web page, right? So you've got physiotherapy, get booked now, get your $20 thing off, right? So copy the actually,
Just the
well, what is
link.
yeah? Click on learn more. What does learn more do?
Just gives you to this.
Yeah, service are great for. So that's all. Yeah, okay. So okay, what do we put in here? So what we want to have first is the heading really. Actually, what can so we could
To be
probably
honest, I don't like these pages.
yeah. So for now, let's work with what we've got on the basis of
Yeah,
what we could do is um, is let's copy what conditions can physio help treat and go all the way down to the bottom of that list. So
oh, yeah. Oops.
yeah, to whiplash. Yeah, yeah. So we go paste, and then maybe what we do is physio. We have okay. So maybe we put the heading as physiotherapy. Uh, Therapy, yeah. And then give yourself a space in between that. Say go enter, and then give yourself another space. Below is the most conditions. So as in, so you got the what are they? And then we'll probably put a little dash in front of all of those, just to
Oh, yeah.
yeah, as in don't need a space necessarily, but just that little. So yeah,
Just like
that's
that.
it. Yeah, perfect. Yep.
Oops.
Okay.
Cool.
And then scroll up just a little bit. See our services. We've got physio, physiotherapy below. Let's just bring that below up one line so that where it says below, so it says that way it's one runs as one sentence. Otherwise, it may look a bit funny.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
And then scroll down. I think then clearly because you're physio, you're so what we want to do is then go to the Pilates. I'd go to the Pilates Learn More tab as well, and let's do the same
Mm-hmm.
sort of thing and see what Pilates talks about. So. Um, here we go. Yeah. All right. So yeah. So let's go. Pilates exercises are ideal for the whole body, and then let's copy that bit of chunky bit of
Which bit?
supervised
This
exercise.
bit.
Yeah, I reckon that. Yeah, that looks good. All
Yeah.
the overall well-being. Yeah. And then so go above, go underneath physiotherapy. So is it higher on that? So scroll up.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
it. And then below whiplash. Yeah. Yeah. And then we'll put a capital Pilates up there. Yeah, and then give yourself one space. Yeah, Pilates or identify. Yeah, and then maybe another space after include, and then go your dashes. Yeah, and then bring up. So then above where you've got your phone number and stuff, just give yourself another space, and then another space, and then I would say if I look at the website, it basically says to learn more and to book and book maybe and yeah and book and then you could bring just the phone number. Yeah, yeah, just bring the phone number up, yeah, and have it like that. And then now that you've
Do
done
you
that,
reckon capitals like that or not?
to learn more, yeah, I reckon maybe not. Yeah, just uh,
Yeah, it's better.
yeah, and then let's copy everything from the bottom all the way up to the top, and I'm going to get you paste that good work into Basecamp, and that way we hopefully we only have to do it once. So yeah, underneath that other one, that's it. Perfect. Cool. All right. And then we go back to LinkedIn. And then just go down a little bit further to the partnership, our phone number that you want to use, which you typed before. Year founded was last year.
2020, I think.
Oh, 2020,
No,
sorry.
2021.
Okay. And then specialities, well, you've got a lot. So you'd start with by saying physiotherapy and Pilates, but then there's probably all of those type of dot points, maybe the key things people come in and get treatment for.
Yeah, say like
So if I go
let me go back.
physiotherapy,
Do you want to maybe sing them out to me and I'll type
yeah,
them?
I will. Arthritis and disc bulges, fractures and casting.
Call
Fractures,
it fraction management. We don't
yeah.
really do casting.
Frozen shoulder, headaches and migraines, muscle tears, muscle tension, poor posture, pre and postnatal conditions. Do you also have pre and postnatal or pre and post surgical rehabilitation? Sorry, that's different. Pre and post surgical rehabilitation is what that is. Repetitive stress injuries. Repetitive, yeah. We've probably got shoulder already done. I'd say spinal pain. Let's leave sporting shoulder. You actually probably got shoulder elsewhere as well. Let's go tennis elbow because I think we can only use 20. I don't know what we're up to now. Let's go whiplash. And then is there anything Pilates we need to add in here?
Maybe
Let's
like
go save just to make sure we've got that fits so we don't lose this what you've just done there. Functional strengthening. Okay, so that looks okay. And then you got NDIS put in there. So
yeah, of course. NDIS.
yeah. So probably cross out. You've got Pilates twice now. Sorry, because
Oh, did I? Whoops.
yeah. NDIS, and then in Pilates. Give me a second. I'll go have a look there.
I put in some like home visit physio as well.
Yeah. We'll also strength conditioning you sort of use in Pilates, but fast recovery. What about workplace injury?
Oh yeah, it's a good one.
Workplace injuries. Workplace injury
We also do
rehab.
TAC.
Yeah, TAC.
Workplace injury.
Yeah. TAC. Maybe just even have that well, yeah.
Or maybe I'll do workplace injury / TAC.
Yeah.
Injury / TAC.
Yeah. And I think anything more than that's probably getting greedy. So let's go.
Yeah.
As much as I've done. Yeah. So let's save that one. Reckon that's good. Is that saving okay? Or
Yeah, I think
maybe
so.
there's too many.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Let's just, if that's saved, then we can go hit on locations for me on the left. Yeah. And then let's go. Let's go close, and then I'm going to get you to refresh this. Oh, there it is. It was just slow. Exactly. It's all good. Yeah. So add a location. don't know that it'll pick up on. Oh, there it is. Yep, yep. And we'll call
Yeah.
that clinic or Maribyrnong. Let's call it Maribyrnong clinic. Yep. Save. Yep. Cool. And then we can at the bottom on the left hand side. You should have something. Actually, I don't. They're not there anymore. They used to have hashtags, but they don't actually. So yeah, you can close this now. And then no thanks. And then on the left hand side, just go settings for me. And then manage admins in the middle, up the top. And just add admin up the top and just put myself on there as well. So click on that. Go Steve, yeah, top one. And save. Just so I can put in a schedule. I do need super admin on it too. That's it. And then go, let's get you to view it as member. Give it a follow yourself. And turn on, yep.
Oh,
Okay.
whoops.
It doesn't matter yet. It's okay. Then I'll get you to go. So that's good. So we've got heaps in
Great.
there now. So let's go. You know what? I reckon we don't even need that. Our services, it's sort of chunky, isn't it? Let's go back to that. Go
Yeah, I
back,
agree.
scroll up there, and it should say, oh, yeah, top right.
Oops.
Sorry, top right. It's got view as admin underneath in the blue bar. Yeah,
Yep.
and then where we go, edit page again, and just get rid of services, and we'll just leave physiotherapy. That's it. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. And now we can close that. No thanks. And then we'll go to you. So where it's got me up the top, and just go view profile. Yeah, and I'll get you put a secondary image up the top right. So another image from perhaps that you had a couple. So maybe something else, either inside or something along those lines. Yeah, those
Like
sort
that,
of
maybe?
machines. Yeah, they'll look quite unique. That's it. Good one. And then we'll click on your face in there. Yeah, and go add photo, upload photo. Yeah, good one. Yeah, that'll work.
What about this pose?
Yeah, I like that.
That one?
I reckon that, yeah, anyone where you could actually shows you almost, it's a bit like if you're a plumber on the tools. I like that sort of photo
Mm.
myself personally. So, yeah, there you go. Yeah, no, that's going to be good. And yeah, I prefer that to the sort of just face and
A
shoulders. It's sort of,
headshot.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's good. So that should be still loading. Let's just make sure it comes through. Maybe just refresh the page.
Yeah, cool. It like matches.
There you go. Perfect. It does too. All right. And then we'll go, if you go to the pencil underneath the picture on the right hand side, and we've got Leon. And then I don't know if we want to do pronouns, but there we got managing partner at life. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Give yourself a space there. Then I reckon we use some of that other stuff, right? So if we go back to here and we go move towards your, even if you use that thing there, it just says move towards the best quality of life with a range of options. Yep, copy that. So what I use is a stick. So if you've got a space and then that above the backslash, yeah. So just bring it all up onto the one line because otherwise it'll break
Oh,
everything.
sorry.
So yeah, and then do a space after Maribyrnong, and then yeah, move towards your best. That way is actually not bad. You either do it that way or
Do
above
I
the.
want? Do I want? this page to be more about my, I don't know, personal brand as a physio, or have it, or, or is that annoying?
No, no, it's not annoying. Um, you you're right. What you could do is, in a way, so I must admit I always default to the what's gonna make people kind of come to you. So then again, it's
Mm.
that thing of like it is, why I want to come to you. But what you could do, I think what we don't have in there at the moment is managing partner and what is the how do you say it around certified, qualified, and what's the even what
Oh,
your study sort of thing is, and because you're the lead physiotherapist, right? So I think we've got to say in there, yeah, say senior, um, yeah. So move towards so with the you can get rid of the ands and make them ampersand ands, and the physio and Pilates,
what's that? That.
you could do the at.
Oh
So
yeah, sorry. Yeah, there.
yeah, and then the where you've got Pilates and physio and Pilates, that can be a plus, right?
Oh yeah.
And in fact, pluses could be your thing. You could actually do even where you've got managing partner plus senior,
Oh yeah.
and then you get to allied healthcare plus personalised. Actually, sorry, it's allied healthcare services plus personalised. I think is the thing. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Even
Sorry.
even this may not take us to where we exactly want to go.
I've kind of like I have my own personal things. Like my thing is simple solutions for complex problems.
Beautiful. Yeah, well, let's go
Um,
with that. Let's do those sort of things. So, what? Um, what again? After the Maribyrnong, just use the
yeah.
goalpost as a divider rather than so Maribyrnong. So type in Maribyrnong, and then so above the return key, you've got your backslash, and you've got the stick, the straight up and down one.
Oh
So
yes,
you
I
go
see.
shift it. That's it, and give yourself a space in between the G and the stick, and there you go. Then now you can go
Yeah,
providing simple or creating simple.
yeah. Providing's probably better.
Yeah. So just a space
Uh,
between the providing, probably simple, yeah, and then so the providing and the stick. Um,
and then could I say like through my clinic in Maribyrnong or
so
something?
again, so then you have another stick because effectively you got another spacer.
Hmm.
Um, so as you said, managing partner. So you're actually a business owner as well. That's the other. I guess managing partner is probably covering off on that, but I guess there is that element of
Yeah,
you're running a
I
business.
won't be a partner. I
Yeah,
won't be a partner for much longer,
yeah,
but I do run the business.
yeah.
Oh,
So
sorry.
managing partner. It's yeah.
That's my password to get in there now. Okay, sweet. All right, awesome. Thanks, Joe. All right. Sorry,
Yeah,
we'll get back to Google, but
yeah.
we should be good
What I
to
think we could do is after Maribyrnong, you put a comma and you'd actually put the actual where you find that place. So I think that might be so you'll see a Pilates Maribyrnong and you go comma and whatever the street address is. What
Oh
is it?
yeah.
Yeah. So I actually jumped down. So I yeah put that. Yeah.
Oh, what?
No,
Why did that happen?
I reckon just have the eight Thomas Holmes Street and put that after the Maribyrnong, as in up the top
Yeah.
part, if that makes sense.
after here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8 Maribyrnong Home Street. You get rid of that one. That because you've got Maribyrnong. It's actually, isn't it Maidstone?
No.
Is that Maribyrnong, that little pocket there?
Yeah.
Oh, there
Yeah.
you go. Okay. Well, I probably don't need Maribyrnong twice, I don't reckon. So we go Pilates Maribyrnong and then keep the and don't have the second one. Yeah. So yeah, providing simple solution for complex problems, and then probably what you could say is that the catch cry, which is two. You know how it was that about your life to move
Yeah.
towards your best quality of life, right? So see,
Yeah.
to move you and to move toward your, it's actually to move you towards moving you, maybe just say
You.
moving you, um,
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
moving you towards your best quality of life. Yeah, and so then you don't all that without, you don't need all the rest of the stuff it says with our wide range of services. So that'll get rid of that stuff. I don't no, moving you towards uh, your best quality life,
Oh, yeah.
and that maybe does suit having an exclamation. And then let's copy that. Let's go with that for now, and then paste that into Basecamp at the bottom of everything else underneath, just underneath it. So it, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we might have lost a hashtag there. I can't remember which one it was, but managing partner. Pilates would have been the hashtag actually. Yeah. And then back to LinkedIn, and then scrolling down. I think that's probably all we need to save in this part. So scroll down a little bit further. Yeah. And then just scroll down actually a bit further. The contact info is separate. So let's go save. Okay, close that one there. And then just refresh for me. Oh no, it's already there. Sorry, no, you don't need to refresh. Go contact info, the blue where you're almost your cursor just above a little. That's it. And then click on that pencil on the right. And click up the top. It's got that personal profile's got all that gobbledygook numbers. We're going to just make it so you're. Let's see if we can get Leon Green. Click on that one.
Yep.
And on the
Oh, yeah, here.
right, there's the pencil, yeah. And just get rid of those. You even get rid of the little dash in between the Leon and Green, see if that's available. Go save. No, try the little dash back again.
Could I go Leon the Physio?
Yeah. Do you have with your qualifications, and you get
Mm-hmm.
referred to as Dr. Leon at the are you
Not
actually
a
a doctor?
doctor.
You're not a doctor. You don't
Nah.
have qualification. But what do you? What's your what is the
I got a master's of physiotherapy, so MPTY.
MPTY? Yeah, let's do a let's make it lowercase and do um actually that would almost suit uppercase, wouldn't it? MPTY.
Actually, let me double check my business
Yeah.
card. I think that's what the credential thing is. I haven't got it on there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's
I'll
MPT.
do a quick search. Masters of
What, what do they
Physio.
call it? It's
Um, actually, Masters of Physio. You probably. I mean, you're probably better. You
they call those things something like
abbreviation.
denominations or
Yeah,
something.
just the abbreviation. Masters of Physiotherapy. Is that what it's called? Physiotherapy? Because or is it
Yes.
physicotherapy? Physical abbreviation. Which uni was it at?
University of Queensland. Oh, actually, I've got it. No, it doesn't even have it. I'm looking at my degree. It doesn't even have it on that. Um,
Yeah, I know. I remember the same for me when I was looking for what is that. How did they do?
what about? Could I do? Yeah,
I think no. You know what you could do is just Leon Green, little dash physio. Uh,
I sort of call myself that
Leon the
in
physio.
everything, like Leon the physio.
Okay, let's see if that's available. Go with it. Yeah, go save. That looks like it's
Yeah.
available. Yep, cool. All right, go Leon the physio. Let's click back top left. Sorry, top
Here.
left is just click on the LinkedIn icon
Oh,
itself,
yeah. Sorry.
just the
Oh, yeah.
icon there.
Left. Yeah.
Yeah, and then close the one on the tab on the left because that's not the most recent anymore. So you just close that one. And then let's go back to your me up the top where it says me, and we just go to your profile. Okay, and then click back on that. Actually, what you can do is copy the URL up the top, and then that's there. So copy that, paste that into. Yeah, you can use that for other things, I guess. Enter, and just put it underneath. Oh, yep, wherever you want to put it. Yep, yep, and then go back to here, and then go contact info. That
Yeah.
verify now actually is very difficult. It should be easy, but it's actually not that. And then go with your pencil. Just click on the pencil on the top right. Yeah, and then we'll put in the address is probably to be updated. So put in your the Maribyrnong. Yeah, and then we'll put add website. Oh, let's put the put birthdays in. Copy paste, and then that one's company. Yep, and then scroll down a little bit further, and then add another website. And I'll get you to do the Facebook page. If you go to Facebook, that one there, yeah, and then up the top, go to the URL up
Yeah.
the top there. Let's copy that. Yeah, that's it. And then one more. So that one's a other. Just call that website type other. Yeah, and then add website. And this time I reckon do that Google map. If you go to far left, if you go back to Basecamp, oh sorry, on the
Oh, sorry.
Basecamp
Yeah.
one, yeah, and scroll. Sorry to do this, but all the way up the top under settings, setup, I should say. Scroll down a little bit further. In fact, you can right click on it
This
to
one.
open it up again. So right click on that, and then copy. But I don't. Well, the way you get that, by the way, is if you go share here. See, it's got share on the left hand side. Left. So yeah, you're almost there. Keep running along underneath about. Up the
Underneath
top, a little bit higher.
about.
So it's got direction save nearby, send to phone share. That's the one.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
And click on that, and then you copy that link. Yeah, that's it. And you can put that in there, and that would be. And again, call it other. Oh, actually, yeah, other probably. And then scroll down and just go save. That will just. You can only have three, so we'll just go save on that.
Okay.
So there, those, and then what I'll get you to do is scroll down a bit further, and let's go a bit down to the experience, a little bit further down, and actually must be
The bottom, I think.
it's above skills, I reckon. The higher,
Education. Oh, yeah.
higher, and then it's got physiotherapist domain health. But this one here, click on that pencil on the right, yeah, and then there you're going to go plus on the right, and add a position, yeah. And here you can call yourself again partner and what was it that you had? And and you could and senior physiotherapist. Yep. And then employment type, you just say full-time. Company name, if you now start typing it, it'll find, there it is, click on that, Maribyrnong, yeah, that's it. And location, you just write Maribyrnong, comma, yeah, not do this, I just do, actually just do, in here, Maribyrnong comes up, yeah, go with that, good. Location type, you go on site, yep. Start date, when did you, when did that one open its doors?
I think it was August 20. Yeah, it must be 20. Wait,
Yep.
what did I say? 22 or 21? I can't remember. I,
21 was the second year of COVID, so
yeah, I think it was 21.
yeah,
Hang
yeah,
on. I'll be able to tell you on this Facebook page.
yeah.
Um, oh, no, I can't because this is the old one. I can tell you maybe on. No, this is a new one as well. Uh, yeah, 21.
There you
Shit.
go. Coming soon. And then description. I just often use that mid-size description, which you've kind of got. If you go back where you've copied and pasted down the bottom, you could use
Like this one.
and up higher. It's actually above all the services and stuff. So a little bit higher. So this one, let us help you move towards your best, and then you could put
Oh, yeah.
yeah, there's that part there. Just click. That should work. Yeah, and then yeah, you go save with that information. Yep, just go save, and then um, just go skip on the left. Yeah. Now, where did you find this? No, where did you find this job? Just go other and save. Yeah, and then just click back on that little pencil for me.
That one.
Yep, and then at the bottom, scroll down. I'll get you to where it's got add media. Get you to put the picture that we used for the actual business page that we're going to use for covers for things. Yeah,
Which one was that?
not the logo. The
Logo.
I think it was in your recents.
Yeah.
That one
That one.
was it? Yep, 633. And then at the top where it says title, instead of having title, just copy the URL for the website. But we don't need, yeah, and then we'll get rid of the yeah, probably just make it www dot without all the https because it's actually not a hyperlink. It just points to where they need to go. That's all. And you can
Oh,
leave.
yeah.
I reckon, and we don't have any description because no one's going to open up on it. So yeah, just go apply. It just adds it to that part. That's all. Now for
Mm-hmm.
you, you probably could put a couple of your key skills. I would just say, just the main thing is the fact you're a uh, practicing physiotherapist or something along those lines as well. So.
Um,
Well, actually, if you write physio, clearly it's going to bring up, and that's what people can then say. Yeah, he's a ripping physio, um, yeah, skeletal physiotherapy. Is there anything else people are going to think? So anything that's probably got physio, people are going to say you're good at it, right? So chronic pain, yeah, headache. Maybe you need just check your spelling on that one there.
whoops.
Headache, yeah, headache and dizziness, yeah. Um,
Will that do?
yeah, good. Cool. Just a few, then be it. So then you can go skip. Rightio. And then now if you click on that left hand with the icon that says underneath, well, sorry, next to where it says managing partner and senior physiotherapist, the quickest way to get to your business page is to click on that icon. So on the left hand side, that one there, if you click on that, that takes you to here. It'll take you in as the admin. So copy the URL up the top. Yeah. And just paste that into Basecamp. And if you click actually away from, it'll get rid of so that you're not on everything. Click, yeah, that's it. And then go back to the last thing we'll do here is go back to LinkedIn. Yep. And then just view as member. And do the same thing. Just copy the member view. Yep, perfect. All right. And then we go, we can go and if you said with, so you know how you open the Pilates Maribyrnong, there's a map there. Why don't you drag that? So see the map which is next to Dropbox. Drag that next to the sign in for Google. Actually, yeah, drag that tab to the sign in for Google. You can probably close that sign in for Google page. We'll leave the YouTube one for now. And then, so on this, where the 9 dots are, so on the right hand side where there's 9 dots, you
Yep.
click on that. And let's go, actually, you need to be signed in. So yeah, click on sign in
Yeah.
for me. Did you say they gave you the sign in account to use?
Yeah. So they gave me a new password.
Yeah,
So
which will be this
I
one here.
should.
And then you'll type it in.
So it is. ST. Oh no.
Yep, looks like it's going to be okay. So go update password, and then it's going to send you something. What's this saying here? Get us. So have you got the Authenticator app?
Yeah. Now for Google.
Okay, if you go try another way. Oh well,
No,
if you've
I
got
think
the
I got it.
authentic.
I got it here.
Okay, cool,
That should do it.
perfect. Happy days. Okay, and then now what we can do while we're in this part, let's go manage your business profile on the left.
Oh, thank God. Awesome.
And go allow. Yep. And then so I can help. What I'll get you to do. This is you, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. So, but those 3 dots again on the next to profile strength. Just click on those for me, and click on yeah, the business settings one. Sorry, profile business settings. People and access. Click on that. So you are a manager only. Yeah. So the only problem with that is that you can't then give it to me. So, which means I can't post to it. So you need to do one or two things. So realistically, so Mark is the owner. You just need to ask them, say thanks, you're in, but can I please have owner access? Because otherwise I can't assign it. I can't assign management to the social media guy.
Yeah. Okay.
So
I'll
that's what
ask. Can I just quickly call Hutch
that
now?
would
That
be the
might be
easiest thing. Yeah.
the easiest.
As
Yeah.
I said,
All
it's
right. Give
good.
me
You're
one
in.
sec. But it's not helpful now.
Yeah, yeah.
One sec.
I might just quickly make a cup of Liam.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, Doug.
I've just texted um, uh, Hutch, the guy that does. He's our like I don't know what you call him, chief marketing officer,
Tech. Okay.
um, and so he'll be the one to give us access to do all that.
Okay, no worries. It
Um,
won't, actually doesn't stop us doing the YouTube because there isn't a YouTube. So in terms of for
oh, okay.
Maribyrnong. So let's go to YouTube then next, and let's I'll let you, I'll just
Um,
we
yeah,
are
you
no,
you
no,
look
no.
at my
We'll take
screen. I'm
a
like
no.
doing secret work
Let's take
behind
a
the
couple.
scenes.
Let's take a couple of minutes. It's all right.
I've just got to quickly tell one of my physios what to
Now
do with
let's
this
take a couple
patient.
of no. Have a couple of minutes. Whatever. That's fine.
All right. Thanks, man. All
No worries.
right.
All good.
Give me one sec.
Yep. You there?
Yep,
All good.
let's do it.
No worries. Just flick back on that share screen again for me at the bottom next to Mike.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good.
I am. And we want to share window.
Probably. Oh yeah, window will do.
Oh no, sorry, we don't want to share window. We want to share. Sorry,
If you go entire
share
screens
screen.
in terms
Share
of
screen. There we
shifting
go.
things around, it's probably easier.
Yeah. Share this screen.
Here we go, and then back
Cool.
to here we are. Right. Yeah, and you know that I'm still here. So
Yep.
we were. I think we were at our Google, but then we decided that Google. So
We got to here.
just close that. So you sent him a message, right? But you haven't heard back, I don't imagine. But um, you didn't hear back yet, yeah, about being made
No,
an
not
owner.
yet.
Okay, so let's
No,
leave that.
not
Let's
yet.
move to. Oh well, I guess do a couple of things that we can do in here, right? So given you're a manager, you should be able to. Firstly, you're already getting lots of reviews. So I assume you know what your where your review forms comes from, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
So you got all
yeah.
that. Um, the other thing is on your left hand side, it's got profile, edit profile on the left. Yeah.
Yep.
So that's all good. We won't change any of that, but that description, I would. You can. We can leave some of that in remedial measure. Given, well, even the opening notes. So I'm imagining this would have been done in the first instance to 750. So, but then they're paying for it as well. So just click on the pencil for the description. I reckon we also offer services in the surrounding areas of Maidstone. Google's probably working how you wanted to. I'd just make it into a more paragraph spacing. That's all. Life consists of two, so that actually people could read it. It sort of looks like it's almost done
Yeah.
to get the juicy stuff. So go where it's got our high quality services. Just make that a sentence down. Yeah, and go as in two sentences. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. Life Ready consists of who are dedicated. So this is sort of written as the almost the upper brand, right? Rather,
Mm.
so I would put in there Ready Maribyrnong. Oh, sorry, Life Ready Physio up above the first sentence. It says Life Ready. I would say Life Ready Physiotherapy, Life Ready Physiotherapy um, and Pilates. Uh, yeah, Maribyrnong consists of a team of highly quality. Our Maribyrnong clinic provides service for remedial matters of men's and then where it says we also offer our services to clients in Maribyrnong in surrounding areas. Yeah, just enter. What we can do, the call us, is that phone number still accurate? That's okay.
I don't know why it's that. So we use a software called CallRail
Oh
that
yeah, yep.
to track it, but I and maybe that's what routes through CallRail. So I might leave it
Okay, no
for
worries. So
now.
maybe just copy what we've got there, Google. Yep, just copy all of that and paste that into up the top. And just paste that into Basecamp so we know what's in there. I think at the bottom you could actually use some those three where we got our hashtags somewhere. There you've got a life ready
Yeah.
underneath the walk-in address. Yeah, that's it. Just copy those hashtags maybe. Put them at the bottom of that bit of so yeah, sorry, go back to Google. I think it's the Google, yeah, and at the bottom of all that, just put those hashtags in. I think they'll fit 750. Got about 50 actually, so maybe they won't fit. Go enter.
Yeah.
Oh, it runs out at
I probably could I get rid of Maribyrnong
yeah.
or Life Ready Physio? Do you want that as a hashtag?
Actually, what you could have is life ready, and then do space, and then do Maribyrnong, or actually put Maribyrnong at the end. Well, what does it go? Well, maybe the order is life ready, and then hashtag Maribyrnong,
Oh yeah.
and that fits. Just give it a space underneath after the phone number, maybe. So as in make it so it's down below everything. Yep. And then just go save on that.
Cool.
Yeah. For that one, that's fine. Um, the it is usually okay. So we could just close that, or then actually just where it says add photo. Can I get you to go add photo for me? That one there, yeah. And it's got logo. Click on logo and just select your logo because it looks like it's using a black logo. Yeah. And just go okay. Has been not been updated. Okay. I wonder if it's because of status. Okay. Close that. Maybe because of manager only. Just close that.
Maybe.
You should be able to add your cover though. So that is from your center though, isn't it? Those three
That's
circles.
from, yeah,
Yeah.
that's a shot from outside. That's
Yeah. Well, maybe
inside.
for
But
now we won't. We'll leave that, given we can't do any more for now on that. So let's go to the YouTube one on the right, and let's go just refresh. Actually, just at the top. Yeah. At the top, just type in YouTube where it says accounts
yeah,
Google, whatever, or just Google or YouTube. Yeah, there you go. That's it. And let's now click on you up the top right. Actually, so let's switch.
oh, you know what?
Yeah,
This is the the YouTube page I made ages ago called Leon the Physio,
yeah.
and I think it's with the my Life Ready email. But we can totally change all this.
So I reckon, yeah. So on the right hand side,
Mm-hmm.
so click on your image again on so your little picture. Yeah. Actually, oh no. So that's gone into. Sorry. Close. You can just close that little dialog box. Go back to YouTube for me. The YouTube one. Oh, yeah, either one. But then now click on your image again for me on the top right, and then just go settings at the bottom. Settings, yeah. And so here it's got add or manage your channels. Underneath Leon the Physio, it's got add or manage. It's the second one down. That's it. So this will show you probably got two. You've got Leon Green, and then you've got so Leon Green. Um, but what I was going to say is you probably want to sign in with your Maribyrnong address. So I would almost sign out of this one. So on the right hand
Start
side, yeah,
with Maribyrnong at Life Ready Physio. Do you mean?
yeah,
Because this is signed in with my Leon
personal, yeah,
Green at Life Ready.
but so the intent is probably to create the particularly if they're going to give you owner, because what you want to have is ownership, but using your life ready email. And when you create it, that we can make sure you've got that, if that makes sense, right? So when
Yeah.
we're not
Okay.
really encumbered by them in that case. Um, so I reckon got a few open. I would almost close all
Say.
the um, ones on the right for now. Yeah, so keep YouTube open. Keep that one. Yeah. So go back to YouTube. Um, but what I would do here is just go switch account on the right hand side. It's got switch. Yeah. So I would go add an account. So
Oh,
go.
yeah. So it's signed
Oh, that
in
is
under
sign. Is
that.
it life ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh.
So I don't mind if we change this account or just create another one. I don't really care.
But this has got 70. Yeah, maybe I reckon we might be better off to change. Because who knows? With Leon the Physio, you've got it. You've got a few people following,
Mm.
and that's probably working almost like a um,
Actually, now that you mention it, I wouldn't mind keeping this
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then
I
having a
reckon
life
what we
ready
do
Maribyrnong.
is let's again on the right hand side. So we'll stay in here. This is managed by Life Leon Green anyway, like you said. So hit the setting. Go back to settings again. So click on the top right on your face. Yep. Yep. And then go add or manage your channels. All we're going to do is add a channel basically. So create a
Cool.
channel, and this is going to be your life ready Physio Maribyrnong. Yeah. Create. I just refresh this page. It always comes up and says that's his. Yep, for some reason. Okay, now just click on the right hand side. Yeah, click on that one. Yeah, and just go. This channel does not exist. Okay, I don't know why it gets a glitchy like that. Data. View your channel. Yeah, click on view your channel. Refresh again. Here we go. Might be doing something. No, just close. You close that one. Let's go back down the bottom to settings. Let's go add or manage your channels. Okay, and then let's now try click on that right live ready one. Yeah. Okay. Now top right, just go view view your yeah. There you go.
There you go.
Silly. All right, so let's go customize channel in the next to it, just there. That's it. Um, and just continue. And then up the top, it's got branding next to layout. Yeah, and go upload. And we just put your logo there. Yep, done. And then banner image, upload. And you just put that, yep, that one. And it's pretty good, yeah. So that's probably as good as most when we get that. And then at the bottom, video watermark, do the same thing. Just add your logo. Um, and we'll make it entire video. So you're done, and then see it's got entire video down below. You can go there, and then on the right hand side, just go close with that dialogue thing, and then just go publish on the right hand side. Yeah, done, and then we'll go to basic info next to branding. And here, let's close that one there. This live radio physio, yep, that's good. And then just get rid of the gobbledygook and make Maribyrnong, yep, live ready physio Maribyrnong, yep. And then here you can copy and paste pretty much that entirety that you where you've got the hashtags. Start at the hashtag and go all the way up to yeah. Keep going. I think yeah, that's it. We got 1,000, yeah. So then get rid of our services. We don't, I think we decided. And the actual fact, yeah, you can't. Yeah, get rid of our services. That's it. And then bring that part up. Then scroll down. What it doesn't like is any links. So you'll need to take. Oh, it's also over. Um, so you probably. So what you do there, get rid of all those details. Just take them out, and then what you just say is to. What? You just say, well, actually, even that's not going to fit. Get rid of the hashtags probably as well. And back. Well, get rid of that to learn more and book maybe as well. And what can we
Probably torch that.
yeah. And then the rest of the stuff is actually going to be on here anyway, as far as your website and email address. So let's go scroll down a bit further. What else we got? So copy that link just on the right hand side. Just click on the actual gobbledygook one. Yep. So that's, and then paste that into Basecamp for us at the end, bottom of everything. Yep. Okay. And then back to YouTube, and we'll come back to links and stuff. Just put the main email address for the for now. So which is your Maribyrnong at, and just go publish. The one that we will put in there, just add a link. Just put your website for now. So copy. Oh, sorry, website goes that part, and then just type in with a capital website. Yep. Maybe website, because it is actually, that's it. Good, cool. Let's go publish again. Then I'll get you to, I think that's your channel already open. So what you can do is go to the YouTube one there and just refresh this page. Okay, and then if you click on somewhere here, so if you click on where it says at Life Ready Physio Maribyrnong, does that click through or no? Maybe click on the no, no. Okay, what's the YouTube? I reckon the YouTube up the top will probably still be the gobbledygook one, but if you go in the URL, yeah, it's still showing that one, but that's okay. I will work out what the actual other one is. It is actually, now you can use either, but anyway, you just click away there, and then on the right hand side, just go to settings for me, and just add me on as well. So this is where, because you are the owner now, you should be good to do this. So it's got add or remove managers. Yeah, and then manage permissions. Yeah, and next.
The right one? Yes.
Oh, yeah, it's just your indic. Okay, and then the blue manage permissions again. And then top right, there's a plus, and just Steve at Diffy Y social, yeah, ial.com.au should come up in a second. Here we go. Bottom one's fine. Yep. And then just a role is manager on the, yeah. And then invite. I'll just accept that. Talk amongst yourself for a moment. Okay. Okay, that's it for now. I've accepted that, and then you can close. You just go done, and then probably on this page again, if we just go to the 9 dots on the right hand side, scroll down and find YouTube. There you go, click on there it is, YouTube. Yeah. And just get rid of all those other ones that have got Google brand, Google this, that, and the others, and just leave one Google page, the Google one open. You can keep oh, I was going to say at least, so it's not going to
Sorry.
worry anyway.
Keep
Go
the
just,
maps.
I was thinking that one where we actually need to get your access back to, but close that one and then go back to YouTube here. Click on the YouTube and just go to my channel. So on the top right, click on your
Top
icon,
right. I am.
top right icon, and then your channel. View your channel up the top. View your channel.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's it. And then you will come back and customize. There's a couple of things just to add those extra links with your Google account. The next tab over there. Yeah. Just click on the 9 dots next to your face there, and you'll go to scroll down. This is the one that you can't. So in here, actually, you need to log out of this one maybe and log into the other one. Yeah, go. That's the one. Okay,
That
click
one.
in. That was strange because yeah, not. Oh yeah, so this is Welcome Life Ready. If you go to the 9 dots on this one, out of interest, scroll down. Yeah, no, okay. Just close this tab. So that's when you go in for YouTube. Where is So what we just get back to that Google Business where we were. So because this is Leon, welcome Leon the physio. You go back to the
This is. Yeah, I see what you mean.
so
I got to go back into the
on the
Google
right hand
Business.
side, go to the 9 dots again.
Yep.
I think so. The 9 dots next to your there. So scroll down. Maybe Google Business isn't showing there. So I think we copied and pasted the map, didn't we? If you go back to
Whoops,
to
over here.
here. Oh, we had the map, sorry, from up above. Yeah. So if you copy that map up the top, a little bit higher. Sorry. Yeah, and stop. Oh, sorry. Down below is where it's got Google Map. Just open that
Yeah.
one up. Then just drag that, and it should say yeah. So just to drag that before just drag that to where you've got Google account. So to the right of X. Just drag the tab. Yeah. Yeah. Close the other one. And just where it's got manage your business profile, can I just get you to right click and copy the link, right click, copy link, paste that link into Basecamp for us. Let's go scroll all the way to the bottom underneath everything. Yeah. Actually, just paste it as plain text, right click. Does it give you the option to paste as plain text? Maybe not. Usually it does. Anyway, that link will be in there. So just now you can do the same thing, but just this time right click and just open in new tab. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's just double check they haven't made you an owner yet, but just click on the 3 dots next to profile strength. Yeah, go there. People and access. Still a manager, actually. Just close that. That's fine. Let's go to X. Let's go to the Twitter. Now they had the old Twitter, but did I see somewhere? We need to create a new Twitter, right? So I don't think there was a Twitter for Maribyrnong.
Did I?
Create, yes,
No, I didn't
create.
create
Yep.
one.
Okay, so that's it. So let's go put in your Life Ready email address. Oh, sorry, this is actually going to be sign up. So you go sign up down below.
Oh, whoops.
Yep, that's all good. And create an account. And we're going to go Life Ready Physio Maribyrnong. and we'll go use email instead.
Is it better for me to use the clinic's email or my email?
It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
So, because effectively you can sign in with the username as well. So,
Yeah.
yeah, maybe just remove that space. I know it sounds funny, but just get rid of that space after the
Oh, yeah.
AU. Can be strange for some things. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, and then yeah, birthday just to prove you're over 18. And next, yeah. And yep, so you'll get a code to email. Oh, actually, sorry. Can I give you the password for this so that we can all both? That's where I had that suggested one. So if we just go, yeah,
That one?
yeah. So that way we kind of know how to sign in at both of us. So yeah. Make sure there's no space actually after. I think there's a space
Oh.
after that. So that password, we just have to remember there's a space. That's okay. Just put in your icon. Otherwise, when we go to sign in next time, you'll be like, oh, why can't I sign in? It does account for that space. Yep. Let's go apply. Yep. And go next. And then um, let's go life ready and get rid of the physio. You can only, I reckon, we go ready. And let's go. What's the postcode for Maribyrnong?
3032.
Yeah, life ready 3032. Let's go with that. Yep. And then go skip for now. It's fine. Yep. It's going to want you to follow something though. Usually just go probably fitness, go business and finance, maybe sports.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll go next. And you maybe do running for sports. There you go, fitness running. Maybe with business and finance, just do small business. I think there's a small business option. Not for profit, small business. Yeah. Sports, well,
Okay.
go the Arsenal. All right, cricket. All right. And then go next. And we'll just do ABC News for now. And the rest of the stuff is actually a little bit more strategic. Yeah, we'll go save password. Or you can follow your own account. Sorry, follow Life Ready. That's interesting. It brought up Life Ready Physio. So go follow with that on the right. I wonder why. Oh, that must have been what we first put in there. That's strange. So with your profile, I'll get you on the left hand side. Hit
Mm.
underneath premium. Hit on profile for me. Right, and then edit profile, and then put in your people picture. Yeah, and apply. And then the
Yeah.
bio, this is where we can probably use that full first sentence with the emojis. Up the top here, yeah, let us help you. Oh,
What was it? Yeah.
and personalized
Oh,
treatments.
bang
Is that
on.
exactly right? Oh my God. So there you go.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, so you go Maribyrnong. Oh, yeah, Maribyrnong here. Maribyrnong, comma, Vic maybe. Oh, yeah, 3032, comma, or Vic before that. Yeah, capital VIC. No, sorry, after Maribyrnong.
Oh,
Maribyrnong. Yeah. And then your website. And then is that it? Then go save. And then we will go to professional. So then go edit. Up the top. Yeah. And then scroll down and switch to professional. Agree. And then in there you can write physio. See if physio comes up. Okay, go Pilates.
what is that?
Oh, physical therapist.
What
Yeah, that'd be their version of
Americans
it, wouldn't
call
it?
us?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep. Go next.
business. Yeah.
That's it. And then on the left, just click on profile again, left hand side underneath premium. Then just copy your URL up the top. And then just scroll and paste that down below. And then go back to there. What I'll get you to do, I don't think we can put mobile your password in there, but let's go more underneath profile. Click on more on the left, and go settings. Yeah, and go account information on the top right. On the right, sorry. See, it's got
That's
account.
right.
That's
Yeah.
the one. And go, yeah, click on that. Actually, that's not your Leon Green. It's your other one. So just copy and paste.
That one.
Put it in. You're probably going to need a space as well, though. But yeah, and then click on phone up the top. It usually says it doesn't like you doing okay because I think you need to do that in a week or so's time. So let's go.
Okay.
Let's go back to where is your? Click on your account on the top in the middle. Your account, sorry, in the middle it's got settings. You can either and then go change your
Yeah.
password on the right. And I just want to get rid of a current password. You just paste and space, and then get rid of that. Yeah, you
I'll get rid of it. Don't want to use
just go
that
other options. Yeah,
options.
choose.
Choose.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, and that's done.
Oh,
That cool. And then you can go back and just click on profile again, and
yeah.
that update password. Yep. All right, and then we'll go. Let's go into Instagram. So with Instagram, actually, so we want to change on the left-hand side. It's got threads. It's got more. Click on more on the bottom left. Yeah, and go switch accounts underneath. Lower down, switch accounts. No, sorry, close that one. Oh yes, that is okay.
Oh,
Log into an existing account. Yeah, close that one there. Yeah, and is that it? That looks like it. Life Maribyrnong underscore. So what I might get you to do is if you go back to Basecamp, yeah, and just paste the password we use for Basecamp because I won't change your password for Instagram because there's others that have got access and are using it as well. Is that right? Usually, what we so yeah,
yeah.
you can paste that one first under for Twitter. So that's all right. So leave that one there. So we know we've used that for Twitter. But yeah, for if you go back to this one here, um, actually, why is that still showing your Oh yeah, so you can that is
Thought it was
live.
life ready physio underscore Maribyrnong was the.
Yeah. Just refresh this. I say on the left hand side. We didn't go in anywhere else, did we? So
I think so.
go follow for that one.
Oops.
following. On the left hand side, because that's not an underscore. That's actually a Life Ready Physio, no underscore. So let's go on the left
Unless
hand. That
they've
it
merged
it
them or
it didn't.
something.
No, just click away from that. On the bottom left, click on More again, and I'll get you to switch accounts. Yeah, and log into an existing account. So that's what you're, according to that, that's that account. Try what happens if you you can't merge it, you can only update it. So on the left hand side, click on profile for me on the left underneath create. Yes, that's a different profile. So this is the other profile, Life Ready Maribyrnong. This looks like an older profile. Would that be right? Because it's not been,
No,
or
this
is,
is a newer one. So the other one we got locked out of because I lost the password and then the recovery email was wrong.
uh,
So we made this one,
okay.
and then we just haven't done anything with this one.
Okay, so this is the one we'll edit then for now, and then we'll work out what
Yeah.
next. So go edit profile here, and let's go change photo on the right hand top right, update, and yeah, go there, upload. With the website, I wouldn't take them straight to just refresh, see if that actually worked. That may not have worked. Just oh yeah, it's worked. I'd take off the book appointment because otherwise, if you go straight to a book appointment, you actually can't read what it's all about. So copy and paste just the website you've got it as, and then include the HTTPS maybe on the far left. Yeah.
Editing links is only available on mobile.
Okay, so you need to do that from your phone. So maybe sign in
Okay.
on your. Oh, let's leave that for now. But well,
Okay.
well, let's do what we can on this one first, and then we'll work it out next. I hope. Yeah. So let's use our bio area. Oh no, if you want to have a look,
Um, no, no, don't worry. Let's go.
because Instagram is actually when you try and do things without. Yeah. So we use our what we've got as our 150. So if you go back to Basecamp, we've got that one that we can use. Oh, sorry, yeah, this year.
That one.
150. This may be a bit long for this, but here we go. Okay, move towards your best quality of life. Um, Now, what I would suggest is then you put your phone, use the phone emoji and just the phone number there. As in, sorry, go back to you've already copied and pasted it from you've got it in
Oh
Basecamp
yeah.
already. Yeah, so scroll down and you can just use the phone only because the website already exists. So just bring that phone up a line, as in don't put it so yeah, just bring it up. There you go. Um, 9, and then move towards your best quality. Yeah. Yep. And then just go save or submit. I think that looks
There's a
like it
problem.
worked. Oh, no, it didn't. It didn't update it for some reason. So just go paste. Oh, actually, I don't know what the last paste was. I think it was probably because it was too long that I'm hoping that's the
Oh
reason. So
yeah.
go back to your base camp and you probably don't need, yeah. And in here, let's remember we've got our plus. Move towards your best our range of allied house and make it plus instead of and. So you see how it's got services. Yeah, just go plus. Then if you use the phone and the number, then hopefully it will sit within. Yeah. Okay, just get rid. Oh, take that space. Put options back in after personalized treatment. Yeah. Options. Yeah. Um, okay. Well, that should fit. So just copy that before you hit submit, just so we don't. At least you can try and put it back in again if needs there. Okay, this time it
Yep,
worked.
all
All right,
good.
cool. All right, and then for now, let's go. Did you copy and paste the password for this one into? So if you just go to where you have it, I think you've got it on a email, haven't you, or something like that, where you have the password for Instagram.
Yes. Shit. Where did I have that?
There it is. Life ready
Oh
at
yeah.
4. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. So let's just if we set up yeah, so then go and copy the profile for Instagram next to Meta Business up the top. We just copy the URL. Oh, sorry, go back to profile on the left-hand side. Click on profile on the left.
Oh, yeah.
Profile under create. That's it. Copy that. Yeah, and then yep. So that's that. Life ready underscore Maribyrnong. Yep. Okay. Um, then let's go. Let's go to Facebook now. And then on the left hand side, where there's the arrow, it says Life Ready Physio. Click on that arrow for me. And then click on the wheel next to that. So there's a little wheel. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so again, Cecily's going to need you to give Cecily or Mark need to give you full access because you're. It's the same as Google. You don't have it. You only got partial basic in this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what I get you to do is copy the URL up the top. Just copy all of that. Go back to there underneath everything else. Just go. So that's FB business. So above that. So anyway, I'll know that. So FB business. Um, yeah, and then if you go, you click there. So realistically, in here, click on business assets above it. Up, yeah, that one there. So yeah, it won't let you add any more assets. So in other words, you can't add in the Facebook. It also probably won't let you integrate the two. So um, just with the you got a Facebook page open on the other side of Dropbox. Just go to that Facebook page and just drag that to the right of the Dropbox, maybe. Yeah. Um, here you should have the option. So just scroll up a little bit for me on this. Yeah, so in this page, you've liked it, but there's nothing to suggest you've got any access to it, right? So normally this would say switch. Um, so they haven't put you as an admin on the page per se. What they have done is added you into the business account. Um, but we were able to sort of see it before. So let's go. Yeah, here. So you had that Facebook page before, didn't you? So um,
I think they said we got some of the Facebooks got hacked, and
right.
so so they canned everyone's access except for a couple of key people.
So
Um,
page access next to summary. Can I get you to go
next,
click on
oh yeah,
that? Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Go manage with you at the bottom. Click on manage. Won't let you give you. So see, you can't move that full controller across by any chance, can you? Yeah. So we need somebody to basically shift you across to full control. Unless you have that full control, you can't add me, and we can't do what we need to do. Um, I would imagine, see at the moment, so what you should also have is connected assets would then be the Instagram page, right? But I wonder when so on the left hand side again, where there's the L, click on that L on the left hand side. Yeah, click there. This time, just right click on the I love. Oh no, it's not. It's the. I want you to actually
This one.
just the next one down underneath live ready. So why don't you right click open in new tab maybe? Oh, I won't let you do that. Actually, just put in the dot, then go there. Just go there. Okay. So now copy this URL for me up the top, and just go to Basecamp. Sorry, and underneath. So this is the page. So that's the Facebook. Well, it's actually the page. It's actually the Meta Business that FB Meta Business. Yeah. Um, yeah. So then go back to that Meta. I think which one it is. So this one. Yeah, this one here. So so click on Manage Facebook page underneath Life Ready Physio. It's got Manage. I know. So in the middle, it's got Manage Facebook page. In the middle, up underneath the picture. Yeah,
yeah.
you click there. Yeah. So it's a very weird version of it. Right, just go like. So you can't manage it as Leon. So that's your personal profile, right? And in
Yeah.
actual fact, in this page has no likes and no followers. So in actual fact,
Yeah.
copy this URL up the top. Yeah. And then that's the actual page address. Yeah. And go paste. Okay. And then go back to that page.
That
Go
one.
just on your own personal profile. I'll get you to top right, just right click. Actually, no, for now, just click on Leon. Go to Leon. That's you, right? Can I get you to find me? So go Steve. We'd already be connected, but I think yeah. So this one here, because what we want to do, actually, no, this is kind of neither here nor there. Actually, go back. Just click back on this. So, in fact, ideally, what they should do, I'll make you get you to so that you kind of know what you want to ask for us. So go back to Basecamp for us. So here, I would the first thing I would have them do. So you need to ask them on the in the business manager. Um, so you would say ask.
That one.
So underneath, yeah. So yeah. So no,
Oh,
it's actually
sorry.
the FB business. Yeah.
Yep.
Please provide um, full control access for Leon and your email address, which is what's already been yeah yeah um, uh, in the Facebook business. Yeah, and
What about could they just give you
they
access?
could do well. That's the other thing. Please provide full control access for Leon, and then you could instead of having the and put Leon, and you've got your address, right? So you've got Leon, yeah, and then after your email, right, and then you use my email was actually marketer marketer at diffysocial.com.au. In brackets, you could put Stephen G. Hubbard. That's That's the profile that I'm using, Stephen G. In bracket.
ARD.
Yeah, that's it. ARD. Yeah. In the Facebook business, which is that. So now we know that both. If you go back to up the top, we know there's two people that can do that. Mark, and I think the other lady was Celia or something
Yeah,
like that.
Mark and
Yeah.
yeah.
So
Um,
yeah,
I'll send that to
yeah. So
Hutch and
yeah.
Stess.
So then underneath that, just this is more for you and me because I think what we'll do is we'll kind of cut this and then we'll reconvene. I think that's probably the best bet. Is
Okay.
that then? So underneath that, you would say then. So underneath that, then Stephen Leon can integrate the Instagram account or the Instagram profile. Yeah. And set up FB Manager, including saved audiences, etc. Saved audiences, pixel, etc. Yeah, yeah. It's probably the two key things: pixel, etc. Yeah. So that's really what you want to tell them, and then once we've got that access, so because really this is probably further to the Google request. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this, yeah. Where you also need to have ownership. You need owner status, not just manager status. That's all. Yep.
Cool.
On Google as well. Yeah.
So,
On Google. Uh, yeah. Okay. Cool. And then what you could do is you can go add this comment, and that saves all the work you've done. As in, scroll down. There's a little green button. Add this comment, and then, as I said, what we might do is we just if we can find another hour once we've got that,
mm-hmm.
then we can do what we need to do to finish off.
Yeah. All right. We'll leave it with me, and I'll yeah, either be given access or we'll be getting you access.
No worries. Yep. All right. Well, and
Awesome.
then
All
as
right. Too easy.
that way we reconvene and we just sort of spend that time just to finish things off and just set the plan
Yep.
out. Cool.
Yep. No,
All
that sounds
right.
good.
So
Awesome, Steve.
you can jump on the other tab where where you can see me again. So I'll take your
Yeah.
screen share off. There you go. Done that. You can see me again, I think.
Yep.
Oh, good. I'll stop record as well, and then